SKF single-line automatic lubrication systems consist of the following components: a pump unit that includes an analog or digital pressure gauge, such as the electrically operated Flowmaster or similar product, several single-line metering devices that include piston sensors similar to the SLV, a control unit similar to the LMC 301, pressure sensors like 234, 111453 or similar products, tubing, and fittings. It's possible to subdivide a single-line lubrication system into several separate lubrication zones by using solenoid valves. Each zone can be operated, controlled, and monitored separately by making use of multi-way valves. Subdivided lubrication systems are used in machines where different critical lubrication points need to be monitored. They can also be used to operate separate lubrication zones within one system. SKF single-line systems are suitable for almost all lubricants. Each lubrication point has its own metering device outlet that continues to operate even if another lubrication point in the system becomes blocked. Single-line metering devices are available in both preset and adjustable models for defined or customized metering. The metering quantity of an SLV, for example, is adjustable from 0.25 to 1.31 cubic centimeters, 0.015 to 0.08 cubic inches. These flexible systems are simple to design and can be reduced easily by removing metering devices or extended by installing additional metering devices. SKF single-line lubrication systems are able to pump long distances and work within a wide temperature range, -40 degrees C up to 70 degrees C, -40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. SKF features a complete offering of single-line systems from low-pressure oil and fluid grease to high-pressure grease. These systems range from very small with one lubrication point and line lengths of 0.5 meters, 20 inches, to larger systems with up to 900 lubrication points and line lengths of about 100 meters, 300 feet. Regardless of the application, the principle of single-line lubrication remains the same. A central pump unit automatically delivers lubricant through a single supply line to the lubricant metering device. Each metering device serves only one lubrication point and may be adjusted to deliver the precise amount of grease or oil required. The sequence of a lubrication cycle depends on the functional type of single-line metering device in use. A differentiation is made between pre-lubrication and relubrication metering devices, direct or indirect. Single-line pre-lubrication metering devices deliver the metered quantity of lubricant at the same time that pressure is built up in the main line. After the lubricant has been metered, the system is hydraulically closed, which causes the pressure in the main line to rise until the preset pressure at the pressure sensor is reached. This sensor is mounted in the main line prior to the last metering device. The pressure sensor then signals an electric pulse to the control unit, which turns the pump off. Now the relief valve relieves the main lubrication line pressure automatically. Afterwards, the cycle continues as before. Single-line relubrication metering devices supply the metered quantity of lubricant after the pressure has been relieved in the main line. After the pump has pressurized the system, the metering devices are loaded with a precise amount of lubricant. Afterwards, the system is hydraulically closed, which causes the pressure in the main line to rise until the preset pressure at the pressure sensor is reached. The pressure sensor then signals an electric pulse to the control unit, which turns the pump off. Now the relief valve relieves the main lubrication line pressure and all metering devices dispense the loaded lubricant automatically. Afterwards, the cycle continues as before. All single-line systems work intermittently. This means that every work cycle, pressurize and relief, is followed by a pause time in which the pressure of the main line is relieved. SKF single-line lubrication systems are suitable for a variety of applications, including mining, on-off-road and construction machinery, cement industry, renewable energy, food and beverage, machine tools, railroad, forestry, steel, oil and gas, and more. These reliable systems operate effectively in the harsh conditions associated with these industries, including potentially high lubrication point back pressure, dirty, wet or humid environments, and low and high temperatures. Want to learn more about SKF single-line automatic lubrication systems? Visit our website for additional information: skf.com/lubrication, skf.com/single line.